straight out to the...
Okay. So here we have the goalposts. There are 3 of them, so you can have 2 games simultaneously, using the goal in the middle as a goal for both pitches. Going down well so far, because football is a big part of the life here at the school. And we're glad to have contributed something that they'll use hopefully for many years to come. The next thing that we want to show you is this netball hoop, which again Ben is showing you how to score a lovely goal in netball. There was nothing in this whole area before we came, so we put up these poles, one here, 3-metre long poles. The ring, the netball hoop, did take a while, but as you can see we have managed it. And we interrupt our tour of the facilities to show you 2 kids that have somehow gone to the roof of the building. That's the alarm for there are kids on the roof, which goes off whenever a kid goes on the roof. And this piece of artwork is something I'm particularly proud of, as I worked on it a little bit myself. There was already a world map here, but it was extremely faded, so we had to redo it all in this lovely green paint. Apart from Namibia and the United Kingdom, 2 countries sharing this wonderful experience, as they're coloured in red.
Okay.
This room is the boys' dormitories. When we came, the walls were very bare, and we decided to decorate it in a theme of space. So as you just saw there were all the planets along one wall, in order that they come after the sun, and we've got a nice welcome to space sort of mural as soon as you walk in. As the stars are so beautiful outside, I'm sure the children have a better appreciation of how beautiful space actually is. There we have an alien and an astronaut actually drawn there. And on the other side, you just have some stars and shooting stars and a rocket, all there to add to the theme of space that we've tried to make in this room. We have a reading corner, not to be confused with a greeting corner. There's one more thing in this room, and that is the class rules written by Zoe. These class rules, which are not always obeyed, it must be stressed. No fighting, which is definitely disobeyed a lot of the time, as there's people actually fighting as we wrote it. The room we are entering now was done by Anna, Lauren and Joseph Dickinson. This is an especially good room, lots of colour all around and more scientific elements to it, but here just a cell, animal cell, plant cell, which should really help with the learning of the children at the school.
That was quality.
Finally, of all the paintings in Oikab school, this is perhaps the most special. We have the Friesland Namibia 2017 logo as designed by Harrison, and all the names of everyone from Friesland, as well as Chance and Carlos, who have contributed to this trip.
Yeah, I can use that.
Oh, touch it! Hey!
It's not in order anymore.
Nice!
Hey! Shall I have it? Yeah! Sorry. Oh. Ooh! Nice dodge there, nice! That's it! Oh! Yeah! other way.
It's recording.
Tonight I'm going to tell a scary story.
You look like a sheep or a cow. I'm not even joking. you should you should see this when it's done.
The end.
Oh, okay. So, Harrison, what can you tell me about today?
Well, today was another weird day, actually. We finished all the construction and paintings, which took ages, but I think that everyone still felt like they could do more. We're giving the paints and paintbrushes to them. Took Joseph Futter around to do the commentating of the painting.
Oh, he's good at that, yeah.
Makeup. David Attenborough in the making.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, we had the assembly today as well.
Yeah,
all
we
the
did.
prefects stood up at the front of the assembly and gifted us a little tin of sweets. The assembly was quite nice. We were asked to sing a song, Benny King's Damn. But then we just played cricket for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
And we got a proper goodbye, which was sad.
It was sad. I had to write a letter to one of them because they requested me to reply to theirs, but...
Yeah, we all signed it. And on the last day, I made a proper friend, Esther.
So,
But that's pretty much it.
Fen,
Good night.
can I just... He is out cold.